In this video, we'll be doing our weekly analysis on the pair gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week. Now gold, after finding strong support at this key level and also facing this price rejection, throughout this whole week, gold continued to push up with further bullish momentum and came all the way up to make a retest on this key level and also made a retest on this higher time frame downtrend line, which it has been respecting for a really long time. Now after a retest on that downtrend line, it faced this strong price rejection. Now this price rejection after a retest on this downtrend line shows signs of gold is still respecting this downtrend line and also is still moving in respect to this downtrend channel. However, we have this key zone, like this major key zone with this multiple major retest points just above this key level, which should be respected as gold's main resistance zone if gold is to continue to push up in respect to this downtrend line. And also we have this key zone with this multiple major retest points, which should be respected as gold's major support zone if gold is to continue to push up. So if you go to even shorter time frame like a daily time frame, then you can see gold has this key level where gold is currently facing support and resistance, and between this key zone and this key zone, which we just talked about on the weekly time frame. Now you can look for some short-term trades on shorter time frame on the breakout of these two key level in their attempt to retest this key zone or this key zone over here. But on a higher time frame point of view, we need gold to make a break and close above this major key zone for gold to make a breakout of this higher time frame downtrend line and continue pushing up to retest this next key level over here. Similarly, we need gold to make a break and close below this key zone with further bearish momentum for gold to continue moving in respect to this downtrend line to come retest this previous low over here or create new lower low even by breaking below this low. Now if you go to even shorter time frame like a 4-hour time frame, then you can see the same key zones and key levels that you saw on the daily to weekly time frame, and also you can see this key level where gold is currently facing support at with all these multiple retest points over here. So if on the upcoming week gold makes a break and close below this key level with further bearish momentum on a shorter time frame like 30 minutes time frame with a 30 minutes time frame candle, then you can start to look for trades on the short side after a break and close below that key level in hopes of gold coming all the way down to make a retest on this key zone or all the way down to make a retest on this next support zone with all these multiple retest points over here, riding this clean candle over here. And gold, if with further bearish momentum even makes a break and close below this key zone, then you can expect gold to continue pushing down in respect to this downtrend line while moving in this downtrend channel and coming all the way down to make a retest on this key level, which is the previous low that gold made over here, which you also see on the 4-hour time frame right around here. However, if we see gold instead of making a break and close below these key zones, if we see gold finding support around here and forming these higher lows and makes a break and close above this key zone where it previously found resistance at, then we can expect gold to be building momentum to make a breakout of these highs over here. And in that case, we can start to look for trades on the long side on the breakout of these highs in hopes of gold coming all the way up to make a retest on this major resistance zone, which we talked about on the daily to weekly time frame. And if with further bullish momentum gold even makes a break and close above this key zone, then we can expect gold to be making a breakout of this long-lasting downtrend channel and gold to be pushing all the way up to make a retest on this next key level over here, which is the previous high in this downtrend channel. So let's see what gold does around these key levels or these two key zone on a higher time frame point of view, and then look for trades on gold. So that's my analysis on gold in multiple time frames for the upcoming week.